Today, we are heading out somewhere a little bit different.
In 1.5 kilometers, turn left.
Okay, you're as annoying as her. Okay, as I was saying, we're doing something a little bit different. Cayden's group, they're doing the Owl Rehab Center. I think it's like the bird sanctuary or something like that. So that's where we're heading today. So that should be interesting. I've never been there. We've seen owls and stuff at the zoo, but never at this rehab place, wherever it is. So it says we will be there in 24 minutes. So we'll be a little bit early. But anyway,
a little bit. Supposed to arrive at 10 o'clock.
So we're half an hour early. We'll take the long way.
No, I can take this way.
Wow.
I want to be early then.
Can I speak now? I don't think I've ever been this way. Like, I know kind of where we're going, but I've just never been this way. I've come off the freeway this way, but I've never actually been. Oh, where did he come from?
Who come from?
The guy behind me. He was turning and then he decided he was going to go straight, I guess. So we're traveling beside the freeway. It should be interesting. Parking's kind of tight around here. It says angle parking. Well, we're now parked on an angle. And isn't that somebody you know? Right there?
Oh, they are.
parked the way you're supposed to. The other car over there didn't. Was really cool, actually. I didn't know that place existed. We got to see a lot of hawks and owls.
Turn right on Ladner Trunk Road.
We got to see a lot of birds in general, and a lot had issues with
Turn right on Ladner Trunk Road.
like with broken wings and
Getting stuck in barbed wire.
yeah, Barbie. Her name was Barbie because she got stuck in barbed wire. There's an old abandoned house right there.
You should go film it.
Wow, that's actually kind of cool. That's like an old
1950s?
no, that's earlier than that. But that's the kind of house you'd see. Like, you don't see a lot of those ones here. You see it more down in like Virginia and stuff like that. That is a cool house. I wonder what's gonna happen to that thing. But anyway, that bird sanctuary, the owl sanctuary, was actually really cool. I've never been there. I know there's other bird sanctuaries, but I've never been to that one. And it was really neat. A lot of people there, getting really crowded. There's people parking down the road. There's no parking in the area anymore. There's people that are walking down the road because there's a side road that people are parking down now. It's packed. But if you ever get a chance to check it out, go check it out. Support them. Leave your donation. And it helps these birds recover. And, you know, they do release some of these birds once they are back. They're full strength, their wings and everything else. But it's really cool to see what they are actually doing to help these birds, and whether they get better or they don't, but it's really neat to see. That eagle that was flying around was actually one that was originally at the sanctuary, which they helped, got it better and released it, but it still hangs around, but it's free. So it's kind of neat to see that, you know, he recognizes where he was helped, and
Or she.
Yes. But that's today's adventure, guys. We went to the bird sanctuary, and that was really neat. But now I got to go to PetSmart, grab some stuff for Tosha. Today is Tosha's birthday, her 5th birthday. I got to get her out for a walk and do a birthday for her. So let's go to the pet store.